In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video on Jotform in just 5 minutes. First things first, you need to head over to Jotform's official website. Once you're there, you might notice its welcoming interface, but what we're here for is clicking on that login button. This is your gateway to the creative space where forms meet function. If you've set up your account with Google or any other platform, you'll find that signing in is a breeze. Just click on the Google option or the alternative platform you've linked your account to, and you'll be sailing smoothly into your dashboard. After logging in, your next stop is My Forms. This section houses all your creations, each form a testament to your ingenuity. Dive in and browse through your list to find that one form you wish to endow with video content. Click Edit Form on the one you've chosen. This action opens the door to customization, where every widget, question, and design element becomes pliable to your touch. Now, this is where the real fun begins. Inside the form editor, look for Add Element on the left side of your screen. It's like a treasure chest, filled with all the tools you need to make your form not just functional, but visually appealing. Click on it, and a new world of elements will unfold before you. In this new world, your eyes should meet the Widgets section. Widgets add superpowers to your forms, enabling them to do more, engage more. Click it, and you enter yet another realm filled with ingenious little tools designed to make your form experience richer. Here's a little tip. To find what you're looking for in this vast space, use the search bar. Type in YouTube, and just like magic, specific widgets will appear, answering your call. Among these conjured options, locate the YouTube widget. This widget is your golden ticket, enabling you to embed videos directly into your form. Now the widget awaits your command. Drag and drop it onto your form. It's a simple gesture that bridges worlds, the world of YouTube and the practical world of your form. By now you must be itching to bring life to this widget. So head over to YouTube and find a video that resonates with the message or theme of your form. Copy the link of this chosen video. It's the key to unlock the next step. With the YouTube video link in hand, go back to your form in Jotform. Now it's just you and the widget. Click on the widget and a space to paste the YouTube link will coyly invite your click. Paste the link there. It's akin to planting a seed that's about to sprout into visual content right within your form. But wait, there's one last step before your form is truly video enriched. Click Update Widget. This is the final stroke of your brush on this canvas, the action that embeds the video into your form. And just like that, you've transformed your form from static to dynamic, from text to motion. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the process of uploading a video on Jotform. This small addition can significantly enhance how your audience interacts with your form, providing them with not just a form to fill out, but an experience to engage with. Remember, whether it's for educational purposes, showcasing testimonials, or just adding a touch of personality, embedding a video can make your form stand out in a sea of static content. So go ahead, experiment with videos, and transform your forms into engaging, informative journeys for your audience. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Dive into Jotform, explore its vast possibilities, and make each form a unique reflection of your purpose. Happy form building!